Buying car parts, cars, and memorabilia online can feel like rolling the dice between misleading photos, unknown sellers, and the dreaded buyer beware moments. It's a game of where you never quite know if you're going to hit the jackpot or get burned. But here at an in-person swap meet like Charlotte Auto Fair, you're in control. Let's talk about why coming out in person is the best way to find the right parts, meet the right people, and avoid the scammers lurking behind the scenes. Has this ever happened to you? You find the perfect part online, just what you need for your project. The seller has great photos, a too good to be true price, and claims it's in excellent condition. But when it arrives, it's junk. Or worse, you don't get it at all. Online shopping for car parts is risky. Scammers copy listings, use fake tracking numbers, and sometimes just disappear with your money. Even legitimate sellers might not know what they're selling or care. At a swap meet, that doesn't happen. Here's what makes swap meets different. You get to see what you're buying before you buy it. Pick it up, turn it over, check for cracks, wear, quality. No surprises when you get home. Second, you're buying from real people. Many of these vendors have been doing this for years. They know their parts, they know their history, and most importantly, they stand by what they sell. Try getting that level of trust from an anonymous online seller. Sometimes you stumble on things you never even knew you needed. Rare parts, automobilia, old manuals, things that just don't show up online or get lost in the digital shuffle. Shoot, half the stuff on the wall behind me was stuff, don't know you needed until you see it. If you don't show up, you miss out. Bottom line, if you're serious about finding the right parts, meeting the right people, and getting the best deals, you need to get off the screen and get to Charlotte Auto Fair. So what are you waiting for? The best parts, the best people aren't hiding behind the keyboard. They're right here at Charlotte Auto Fair. We'll see you April 3rd through the 5th. Don't miss it.